Long trips leave your RV looking dull and dirty, but restoring that shine is now easier than you think. The latest creation from the Walex Innovation Lab is a wash and wax formula that easily lifts dirt, road film, and bug residue, while leaving behind a glossy, protective shine. Walex's PhD scientists, RVers themselves, were tired of spending hours cleaning their RVs every year, so they developed a 2-in-1 product with advanced cleaning power and polymer technology that forms a shiny, water-repellent barrier that keeps the RV looking brand new in between washes. They say it's the ultimate must-have cleaner for your RV's exterior. Mix Walex's Wash and Wax with water and easily scrub away tough dirt and road grime. It's safe on fiberglass, gel coat, painted finished, and decals. Give your RV a glossy shine that lasts. Less time scrubbing means more time adventuring. Walex is a family-owned business that makes products here in America using 100% solar-powered manufacturing. We're the trusted global leaders in waste treatment. Walex science is everywhere you go.